yourself. Because with Peter Bunting in South Manchester, with Ballana East Manchester, with BKL Road and Northwest Manchester, and I in the central. Oh, what a weeping and wailing and nothing of peace.
I'm coming from Spanish Town. I'm from a regional roundabout. Thank God me have good police that drive me. Up here, overtake and undertake. The road rock from Dunster. Come all the way up here, sir. And everybody, for PNP. PNP.
Comrades, tonight, I want to welcome you about you from Manchester. But tonight, we are going to give a special welcome to our party leader and next Prime Minister, Comrade Mark Jefferson Gordon, as he
PNP, block up the whole Manchester. Comrade, I'm going to tell you something, and I want you to hear me tonight. We're going to have a good time tonight, no favor. We're going to have a PNP time tonight. We're going to turn on Manchester tonight. We need a bigger space. We need to take it outside for the party chairman. Party chairman? Yes, I know Manchester. 10 times more people outside than is inside. What is happening in Manchester? Comrades! Comrades!
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Comrades! Comrades! Lord have mercy. Time come. Manchester is PNP place. You know that? I know that. Everybody know that. And I see that we are in the mood. So I not talk long. You don't come to hear me. You come to hear other people there. So I said, welcome. Let's have a good time. Let's show the world that Manchester remains PNP country. Time come from it. Time come from it. Time come from it. Time come from it. Time come from it.
When they say we don't do nothing for Manchester, let me teach them two things. Under PNP, we have added classrooms to schools right across Manchester. We have built even new schools. Under this Labour right government, 8 years, not one new school has been built in the parish of Manchester. But there's a generation in Jamaica that doesn't know what the PNP has done for the people of Jamaica.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, the PNP looking good down in Manchester. The PNP said them coming for the whole of Manchester, so that means a Rhoda Crawford in a problem and Robert Chinham in a problem. My viewers and subscribers, please hit the like button for me. Please hit the like button and share the video. Type in at the comments and tell me what you think. Michael Phillips Stark can say when the PNP in a power, them build school than classroom for school. I mean for tell me say 8 years the JLP in a power and them they build no school in a Manchester, no school. And then Donovan Mitchell said that there's a generation in Jamaica who don't know what the People's National Party has done for them. Type in at the comments and tell me what you think about that. And my viewers and subscribers will listen to the video to the end because I beer things I got to talk up. The video just about to get nice. Like up the video and watch it to the end, yeah?
When I look at the Gold Man General Hospital, the regional hospital, and see what the labor I stood to it, I feel body in the spirit. People can't get bed, nothing at all. Comrades, I want to tell you, if you come from Garloki, we will win it. If you come from Georges Valley, we are in it to win it. If you come from Eastfield, we will win it. If you come from Hearties, you can mash it down. And comrades, I start getting phone calls from East, West, North, and South when it's the election. But I want to make it clear. I am running as councillor for the Royal Black Division first. Because I want the job to be a little bit easier. Because when I slap them with these 4 men, I will put some people to go to bed so that the riding is easier. So come and hold it. Don't worry about Central Manchester. We are going to bring back Central Manchester to the place where it belongs. And no worry yourself. No worry yourself. Because with Peter Bunting in South Manchester, with Ballana East Manchester, with Michael Rona Northwest Manchester, and I in the Central. Oh, what a weeping and wailing and nothing of peace. But comrades, tonight is but about the People's National Party. And comrades, I hear them making up nice, but the comrade leader said that we must unite today and war tomorrow. That is not what he said. He said that the party unite because united we stand and divided we fall, and we shall overcome someday. We shall win it in Central Manchester.
All them a run up and down. And them a say PNP never do nothing to Manchester. Well, I tell you, if them know what is coming, because party leader from northwest to central, to south to northeast, PNP river is coming down back to back. But we, the PNP, don't rely on social media. We don't rely on just a seat in parliament. Then go there and have no voice like the man in the south. We don't rely for Carl who said water boy or Malaya. What we do when we are there is that we stay amongst the people
We work for the people. And we build a Manchester that the people can enjoy. That is what we come in to know. And Comrade Bunting touch on it. Because when they say we don't do nothing for Manchester, let me teach them two things. Under PNP, we have added classrooms to schools right across Manchester. We have built even new schools under this Labour right government. 8 years, not one new school has been built in the parish of Manchester.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, the political tension is building up and the PNP say them ready east, north, west and central and south. Them ready for take it back. So basically what them say that Road and my Crawford, them a put she in a retirement and Robert Chin, them plan to take him out of business. While my viewers and subscribers, the people, them a talk about the things and most importantly what the man talk about, Michael Phillips Stark and said that the PNP build schools and add classes to schools, but 8 years JLP in a power, them no build no school. When I say this a government no believe in a school. When I say a beer back at the class fully done, them say. When I say for follow them we are gonna be done, so we pick them are gonna be done and second for $5,000. It's about time I wake up, vote for a change, vote for a better Jamaica. Big up from Jamaica top.